Okay, so today I'll be showing you my fidgets. First, I'm going to show you my DNA ball. So this is just a ball with some other little balls in it. And it's squishy. It's fun to play with. And if you squeeze it like so much on one side, see it gets so clear. And you can just get up a little space and try to move all the balls in, but that will take a long time to show you. Okay, now I'm going to show you my controller. So this goes like that. These are the buttons. Some of them can press, some of them cannot. This one can go like that. This one can go like that. And this one can go like that. My one's broken, like with this on the side. I don't know what this means. And this one can just go like that. This one goes around like that. And yeah, so now I'm going to show you these. So it has a marble inside. So I have a yellow one, a red one, and a blue one. Yeah, and so now I'll show you my infinity cube. The reason why this is called a infinity cube is this goes on and on and on and on. Okay. Now I have this big puppet. So this one got bigger bubbles to pop. And it's very fun. I think this one's my favorite one. Okay, next we have two pea poppers. So what these are actually, so if I can, I'll try. Do you see that thing coming out? That's a pea. And some of them have faces, like on the both of them, like over here there's the faces, like the same one, or just like same one. If I can get here. Yeah. Okay, and so both of these sides don't have anything, but you might get something there. Okay, now I'm going to show you these are these cats. I got a white one, a gray one, and a pink one. So when you do this to them, it feels very good actually. So these are like cats just sleeping like this. Okay, and yeah, so this is my puppet. You might already know what this does. You can pop all of these bubbles. And then, so the side I just popped was the bad side, and this is the good side. And now I'm going to show you this thing. I don't know what it's called. So what you basically do is just switch them around. It's not hard. Don't worry about it breaking. It's easy to handle. You just need to like spin these around and it switches. This one's kind of fun in the car for me sometimes. Okay. Now, these ones can actually make whatever you want them to make. And yeah, you can even do this. Okay, now I'll show you my monkey noodles. So these are fun. So they're stretchy and yeah. I got green, purple, and yellow. And I got these. You can put them on your finger. Yeah. And you can like play around. I'll pick that up later. Okay. So that's that. Now I'll just get the other one. Here you go. These are the other ones. Now, these ones you might think these are nothing, but they can do that, and you can put them together again. And also, I just want to say something. Just wait for a minute. You can actually connect them on both sides if you get them right. And this can also be with all of them, any of them, even one, but not one if it's like all the way like not big. Okay, and I got this blue one, I got this purple one, the pink one, and a green one. That's all my fidgets. Comment down below which one was your favorite. Bye bye. Please like.